So hopefully this is working. Trying to get this mic thing figured out. Boom. Anyway, it's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing, and today is day number 1 that the soil conditioner goes down. Now, I've talked a little bit about Hippie Blend. Hippie Blend is an amazing fertilizer, but we took out a lot of nitrogen sources and put in more soil food for the Hippie Soil Conditioner. We got molasses, we got Humates, we do have a little bit of Neutralene because it's a slow release, so as it breaks down it's going to help, add nitrogen to the soil. That whole mic bullshit. So, let's see, hopefully this works. This is what we're looking at, right? Nice, dark, rich. It's going to help your soil become more rich. There's lots of good bacteria, lots of fungi in there. It's bio-inoculated. And so it's got microbes and it's got stuff to feed the microbes, which is super important when you want to feed soil biology. And of course, I love weed eaters, blowers, tile saws, helicopters, airplanes, big trucks. I have one, so I'm that guy too. Anyway, Super Soil Conditioner is going down. Day 1. What is this? July 19th, 2023. You want to learn how to feed your lawn the right way? Follow me. Peace.